With a beautiful palette of stunning new accent colors, unique laser engravings, and crowd-pleasing seamless design, introducing the new CHROMA version of our most popular pens ever. Showcasing the combination of our precision machining and hand finishing that make these pens look like a solid piece of titanium until you twist the barrel of the pen, exposing the tip. Their unique seamless design is always fun to show off to family and friends. As one of the most useful items you can carry, this compact pen with its go-everywhere design and rugged construction means that you'll never feel the embarrassment of being caught without a pen again. Slip it into your pocket, bag, or briefcase, and it'll always be ready to capture your next big idea, take a note, or fill out a form. With an extraordinary fusion of form and function, the new CHROMA version is our latest iteration of our extremely popular EDC ink pens. Made from lightweight titanium, we precision machine each component and hand finish each pen. While it's not easy to machine, titanium is a very cool and beautiful metal. It's used in the highest performance fighter jets to the most exotic sports cars. It's perfect for everyday carry gear because it's lightweight, biocompatible, and impervious to rust. The unique silencer option has a series of holes near the back of the pen that lets you see some of the inner workings as well as get a glimpse of the accent color you selected. To make your pen even more unique, we're offering a range of beautiful new engraving options. These new patterns make your pen like a little work of art that you can carry and enjoy every day. Your pen will also come in a handcrafted gift box, so they make a great, useful, and memorable gift for yourself or someone you love. This pen uses the off-the-shelf and easy-to-find D1 ink refill. Your pen will come with one of my favorite D1 refills made by the Japanese company Oto. These black ink refills use a soft ink technology that dries quickly, which is a benefit for lefties like me. With 6 successful Kickstarter campaigns under our belt, we've established a track record for delivering outstanding products. I stand behind everything we make, and my goal is that you enjoy being part of the process of making a new product come to life. I really love that I've been able to create and offer unique, high quality, and useful products over the past 8 years, but I can't do it without you. We need your support to make this new version a reality. By supporting this project, you're not just getting an incredible pen, you're joining our mission to create products that stand the test of time. The original version of these pens have been sold out for many years, so please be sure to back now and secure your very own titanium EDC ink pen in the exact version you want. As always, your support really means a lot, so be sure to send me a message if you have any questions.